How to delete search history in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, uh, if you want to delete your search history, you will need to head over to your maps. Go to your profile on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on Maps History under Account Settings, and then your Maps activity will open up. There you'll see the delete option. Tap on it, and you can choose option like delete today's history, delete custom range. You can choose the date from choose what days to delete, and then you can even delete all time, or you can toggle on the auto delete option as well. So you can confirm to delete activity older than 18 months. And then that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.